I am Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
Today, we are taking a vibrant walking tour of Barcelona's Somorrostro Beach Festival 2023 in Fort Kelvin. Get ready to experience the lively and colorful atmosphere of one of the most significant beach festivals in Spain. Before we start our tour, please make sure to click the like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting travel videos. Don't forget to write a comment below to let us know what you think of the festival.
If you want to see the hottest video cuts from my walks, subscribe to my Patreon. Link below.
Another highlight of the festival is the art exhibitions, showcasing the works of local artists, including painters, sculptors, and photographers. These exhibitions offer a unique insight into the rich cultural heritage of the region. As we continue our walk along the beach, we come across various food stalls selling traditional Spanish delicacies and drinks. From paella and tapas to sangria and beer, the festival offers a wide range of local cuisines and beverages that will satisfy every palate. Apart from the live performances and art exhibitions, the festival also offers various activities for visitors to enjoy, such as beach volleyball, water sports, and sandcastle competitions. These activities provide an excellent opportunity for visitors to interact with locals and fellow travelers and experience the festival's vibrant and friendly atmosphere. As we end our walking tour, we can safely say that the Somorrostro Beach Festival is an event not to be missed. From the lively atmosphere, delicious food, and exciting activities to the beautiful scenery and rich cultural heritage, the festival offers an unforgettable experience for everyone. Thank you for joining me on this vibrant walking tour of the Somorrostro Beach Festival 2023 in Fort Kelvin.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel and like this video. See you in the next one. Bye!